Welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info. In this video I will show you how to hide like counts on Instagram posts. So you can hide like counts on your own Instagram posts either before or after posting. So let's open Instagram, and then you want to tap plus button in order to create new post. Now let's select a photo from your gallery that you want to post, then tap next in the top right corner of your screen, tap next. Now you want to scroll down to the very bottom until you see more options, and here you want to enable this hide like count on this post. Okay, and now let's go back, and you want to continue editing your new post, and then let's press share button. Now I'm going to show you how you can hide likes on existing posts. So you need to open post on your profile. Now tap three dots right here, okay, so I will unhide it, but you will see this hide like count, and from this moment users will not see how many likes you have on this photo. So that is basically it. Thank you so much for watching this video. If this was helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this, and I will see you in the next video.